Part 2, Nitish Kumar's Government and a Law, Order and Improvement. Here is the continued reform and modernization. After achieving initial success in a law and order reform, the Bihar government continued to focus on improving security, modernizing policing, and introducing new measures to combat crime. From 2010 onwards, several initiatives were taken to further enhance safety, adapt to emerging threats, and sustain progress. Here is the modernizing of policing. To keep pace with changing crime pattern, Bihar Police underwent modernization. New technologies such as crime and criminal tracking network and a system were introduced to improve data management and coordination. By digitizing record and enabling real-time access to criminal database, the efficiency of investigation increased. Here is the combating crime, cybercrime and economic offences. With the rise of internet-based crime, the state set up dedicated cybercrime unit across district. Cyber police station was established to handle online fraud, hacking and financial scams. Additionally, economic offences such as money laundering were tackled through the specialized economic offences unit that investigate financial crime and recovered illegal aspects. Here is the anti-Naxalite measures. The issue of Naxalite insurgency remain a challenge in a certain region of Bihar. The government took a strong stance against Naxalite activities by increasing security operation in affected districts. Special forces were deployed and intelligence-based operations were carried out to dismantle extremist network. As a result, the influence of Naxalite group declined significantly in the state. Here is the fast-track investigation system. To ensure quick action on criminal cases, the government launched initiative to complete investigation and charge sit within the fixed timeline. This policy aimed to reduce delay in legal processes and improve conviction rate, thereby increasing the fear of law among offenders. Here is the community policing and the public safety measures. Recognizing the importance of community participations in maintaining law and order, the Bihar government encouraged public involvement in policing. The emergency response system was strengthened to provide immediate assistance for police, ambulance and disaster management. Additionally, women's safety was given a priority through the deployment of female police officers in a public place and introducing of helpline services dedicated to addressing crime against women. Here is the result and the impact. The continued reform brought further improvement in law and order across Bihar. The crime rate remained under control and public safety measures made citizens feel more secure. With a better police environment, Bihar's economy continued to grow, attracting businesses and investment. Here is the remaining challenges. Despite the progress, some issues still require attention. Cases of corruption within law enforcement needed stricter action, and the further efforts were needed to address crime against marginalized communities. Additionally, urban crime rates in growing cities like Patna saw fluctuations that required better policing strategy. Last but not the least, from 2010 to 2025, Nitish Kumar's government sustained its commitment to law and order reform through modernization, technological advancement and strong governance. While challenges persisted, the overall transformation of Bihar from a crime-affected state to a developing economy was largely driven by this improvement in security and administration. Thank you for watching this video.